You can make the function to accept a variable number of arguments with adding 3 dots to the function definition. You can access the arguments passed in with a colon 0, 0, 0 in a form of a list. To access the individual argument, you can specify index, just like any other list. You can also put it in a variable for readability, for example, inside args. Or you can also access the individual argument directly by using a colon followed by a number. So A1 to access the first argument, and A2 to access the second, and so on. Remember that it does not start with 0. The first argument is A1 and not A0. The reason for that is because A0 holds the count of the arguments passed in. As you can see, 3 items were passed into the basket function, so it displayed 3. So to recap, 000 holds all of the arguments in a list. A0 holds the count of the arguments passed in, and you can access the individual argument from A1 and A2 onwards. And of course, if you try to access an argument that does not exist, you raise an error.